Mail. Edges of the world.
We call them home.
Dust on my shoes from a long, loud road. Every no turn ballast to hold my load. Sleep was a rumor, faith was a flame. I kept it cupped till it learned my name.
Skies wouldn't open, so I stitched a seal.